six-order. Six-orders have really good bandwidth.
That's right, yeah.
So,
I like the green lights too. That made it really flashy.
Yeah, they change different colors.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How are you doing? What is your name?
My name is Erica.
Okay. Could you give me a rundown real quick what all you have in here?
Sure. I have a single VFL Intense Dual 2 on a SK 4500 B1.
B1, okay.
The VFL is in a 6-order tuned to 28 to 52 hertz.
Really? Wow. Single sub.
Yep, single.
Awesome. Did you build this?
I kind of helped, but
Okay.
for the most part, effort.
I understand. Okay. Did you meter it yet?
No, I've never metered
Never
it.
metered it? Okay.
No. I'm not really chasing after numbers.
I understand. Just demo and daily driver?
I just like the way it sounds.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Is this wired to 1 ohm or do you know?
Yeah. 1 ohm.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
So start her up.
really good for one sub, to be honest. It's impressive. And it's really got good bandwidth.
Yeah, well,
So-
I mean, it's a 6-order. 6-orders have really good bandwidth.
That's right, yeah.
So-
I like the green lights too, that made it really flashy.
Yeah, they change different colors and stuff like that.
Okay,
So.
awesome. And you
It's
got
not
it
dark
sealed
enough
off.
to have everything, so.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, you're good. You sealed it off all the way around, so it's
Yep.
kind of pretty much all past the B or C pillar. So,
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. And you got your back seat still?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. That works.
Yep.
All right. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Erica.
Erica. All right. Is there anything behind the box, or is it just the box?
No, it's just all box.
I just wanted to
back
make sure.
there.
Do
It's
you
all
have an
box.
extra battery?
Yeah, I got 2 other ones. There's a chamber down at the bottom
Okay.
where my 2 batteries are, and then I also have my amp for my highs and mids
Okay.
that are back there.
Got it. That makes sense. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you,
Yeah.
Erica.
Not a problem.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You have a good day.
You too. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, that's right. I'm ghetto.
This is pretty different. Oh, it broke. Don't worry about it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.